Introduce highlight features and quick overview of MicroNovelty 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner and mop with Wi-Fi connected. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. MicroNovelty robot vacuum highlight features or overview summary are included. The ultra-strong 3200 PA suction power of Tabit is powerful enough to lift steel balls, easily lift dirt off hardwood floors, deep clean carpets to remove hair and get rid of dust mites. Tab is possibly the best robot vacuum at sucking up dirt, debris, crumbs and hair after your pets and kids. Tabit adopts the remote laser scanning technology similar to the technology applied to the unmanned aerial vehicles. Efficiently navigate your home and map your floor plan to your smartphone using laser technology. The interactive map gives you the ability to choose how and where you want to clean. Utilize unlimited virtual boundaries, area mode, and custom mode to clean specific areas, rooms, or to avoid others. Intelligent Y-shaped paths to mop. Schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Tabit app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Tabit P70 innovation brought modularization design, which combines the dust box, exhaust fan, and battery together into one detachable module. It is not just a part of the robot vacuum but also an individual mini handheld vacuum cleaner, which allows you to clean anywhere that you could imagine. It makes cleaning corners, upholstery, and tight spaces easy. You can definitely get the most cleaning action with this multi-purpose robot vacuum. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.